I'm Sushma Tarat. Today I will be celebrating with you Diwali. Yeah, not in this way. At home, I'm not going to burn any kind of crackers or something like that. But today I will be what? I will be showing you how to style up in a very simple way without spending a lot of money on yourself. Basically for purchasing a lot of clothes and all. Happy Diwali in advance to all of you. So today I am having a really amazing thing for you so that you can be very quickly ready for your Diwali. Yes, and why I am telling you, because at the moment sometimes you forget to purchase something and sometimes you get confused what to wear, what not to wear, because this happens to me and very much a lot of time. So in that moment I come up with really good ideas, so I thought of sharing this idea. So this is what I'm going to share with you, and one by one I'm going to tell you the tips. I hope you note it down somewhere and in your mind you can, and it will going to help you surely. I'm going to assure you that. Yes. So tip number one, I'm going to tell you what you require the most. So you require the most the lipsticks, because a glossy lipsticks and a good color gives you a really good festive vibes. So I'm recommending I'm having this three kinds of lipsticks for three kind of persons. If you are a very bold person, you can use this kind of a red color lipsticks. You can purchase any of your brand choice. I have ADS red lipstick for, and it is very much my favorite. I'm already applying it. It is a matte finish, and now as my lips are already a little getting oily, so it's shining. So the second one, for the people who are very sober and very clean, they feel to keep the lipstick very decent. For them I will recommend this matte. Again, this is a matte one, and I guess this is a muted some kind of, it's True Matte from Nika K in New York. You can get such kind of lipsticks from Hook or directly in NYX, but they hardly ship this kind of lipsticks to India. So you can directly purchase it from Hookup. Okay, so this is the lip color of NTM10. Okay, believe me, it is amazing. I usually prefer to use this whenever I'm going to go in some kind of a party, which is where I want to keep myself very decent. So I use this. And if you are the person who really like doing parties and all, and if you are a teenager even, I will suggest this, because this is a lip glow. It's a diamond glow. It is having a very glossiness in it, like a sparkle and all. I highly prefer to go with this is again the Nika K New York, because I really love their products. They are so smooth and so liquid. The fluid is so amazing. So these three are one of my favorite colors, which I use throughout my videos, if you see and all. And the second thing, yes, the second thing, the most important mandatory thing is jewelries. Of course, without jewelry your festive look is incomplete. So as you can see, I'm wearing this pearl earring. It's a golden and pearl touch with a meenakari work of lotus, and it looks really elegant. Like, even though today is not Diwali, I'm feeling the whole vibe of Diwali because of the color combinations and the work, intricate works on it gives me whole vibe of Diwali. So let me tell you what all jewelries I have, and I'm going to wear it during my Diwali time. So here are few pearls. You can try on pearls if you are a very simple person and you want to go with a simple one kind of a jewelry. Go for this. And if you are wearing a sari, I would recommend this kind of a pearl thing. I'm a very pearl type person because I really love pearls, and my mom have the most of the collection of pearls. So this is the one of the oldest one, I can say, the most oldest collection of my mom. When I was, I guess, 2 years old. From that time it is still with me. So you can go with this pearl kind of thing with very small pearls with a golden touch. It will give you whole festive vibe, you can see. Yeah. So, and the most favorite neck piece of mine is this. Yes, this I got from a local market and Tulsi Bagh. You know, in Pune the Tulsi Bagh is very much famous. From there I have got this silver German silver jewelry, which is again amazing. Go with any outfit. Okay, why I'm recommending this 3 kind of things, because there are many kind of persons who hardly go with any silver jewelry or golden jewelry, pearl jewelry. So for them I'm recommending these 3 kind of jewelries, where you can go with pearl, or either you can go with silver jewelries, or either you can go with the golden jewelries. It will look more elegant any jewelry you go with, but jewelry is very much compulsory. And of course with the neck piece, the earrings are very important. I have 3 kind of earrings again. So I have got this through online only. So first one is the golden jewelry again, and the second one is the silver jewelry, as the mirror work is now very much in trend. So I purchased this beautiful jewelry, and the third one is like a silver jewelry again. You can go with this chandbalis, mirror work jewelries, or this kind of a pearl jewelry with meena work, meenakari, or simple plain golden jewelry. It's up to you actually. Beautiful part of accessorizing yourself is wearing bangles. So these are silver bangles, because I usually wear silver and I prefer to go with silver jewelries. So that's why silver bangles. And if you have any obsession with golden bangles, you can go with the golden bangles. I don't have any golden bangles with me. My mom must be having. But you can go with golden bangles, or else you can go with pearl bangles and silver bangles, pearl bangles, and what all is there? Yes, the glass bangles. So if you are like very much obsessed with the glass bangles, you can go with the glass bangles. I will prefer if you go with really golden ones or silver ones, it's up to you. Now talking about the next part, that is of course the, so basically if you are accessorizing yourself and wearing a very simple cloth like I'm wearing right now, and see your more attention is grabbing towards my heavy earrings. Yes, why I tell you, because heavy earrings actually wearing during Diwali, it gives you a whole rich look. So you can go with whenever you are accessorizing, go one or the another heavy jewelry. So here you can use this kind of heavy jewelry. Yeah, the last major part is the clothing. Yes, so as I'm wearing a very minimal cloth like a white and with few golden works on top of it, and at the same time I'm wearing a very simple pajama type of thing, which is again a very giving a very much a classy look to me. So you can see like even if I'm not wearing anything heavy, still I'm looking all glam up and with a festive look, and even I'm very much feeling comfortable right now. So yeah, I will recommend, if you are wearing anything lightweight and enjoying the festival season, it is much become interesting. So please, if you don't purchase, yeah, it's your choice, but I would recommend like purchase very much budget friendly, or else I can say a very lightweight cloth, so it will give you all flexibility to do all kind of bhangra and all. Yes, so, and even I would recommend, whenever you are purchasing, must purchase some gota work chunnis and dupattas. It actually enhance your whole look. See? Yes, looks great now. Yes, so basically the clothing part is like you purchase anything like golden work on top of it if it is done, or else you can purchase like this kind of a dupatta. I have done in this, I have added few stickers to it so that it look all festive vibes. And yeah, so basically a golden work things makes it more elegant and beautiful if you do it. So you can add even bindis to accessorizing yourself. You can see I am having a very colorful bindi with me, so you can use bindi either, or else you can use the eyeliner to make a one simple dot. Yes, for glamour. So that's all for today. I hope you like the whole video of how to styling up, how to glam up yourself for a festive season, and any festive season you can glam up yourself according to it. And I will be coming up with this creative, innovative new ideas for you, kind of a jugadu thing, so that you will be able to enjoy your whole festivals, even though you are not a stylist or a fashion thinker. No, not fashion thinker, fashion enthusiast person. So I will be there to help you. Please comment down if you have any other queries or any such things in your mind you want to ask me. I will be available for you all to help you out choosing your outfits, to choosing your jewelries. Yes, with free of course, because I really love to help others, and so you can do by subscribing to my channel and liking and sharing it to with others, so that they will be able to get such kind of help from you guys. Yes, from me. Yes, from me actually. They will get a good amount of help. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. See you till the next Friday. Bye.